honey. That dinner was delicious. I really got nothing good to say.
Ew.
Well,
Wait, George Bush or what?
I sound like George W. I don't know why this mask makes me have a makes me sound like the W.
The W.
But
Tell Donatella to sit down.
Donatella, sit down.
Oh, so bad.
Good girl. That's a damn good dog right there. I don't know why I keep rubbing my belly.
You like that?
I feel like it's appropriate.
Turn around. Show that. You have no butt. That's so disgusting. Not that you have a butt anyway.
Yeah, girl. Look at my belly.
I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna throw up right now.
My thing here. Get down, girl. You know I'm talking to you? Sit your butt down. Sit down. Sit down. You don't know who you're dealing with right now.
That was a F you and dog language.
My name's Bernard.
Hey, I picked that name. She's gonna grab your old man ball sack.
That's in